College of Medicine, sa loob ng 3 years, bago ka maging governor, mabubuksan mo agad. Impossible. Nakaroon naman tayo ng College of Medicine. A lot of the people here in Sultan Kudarat and even in other provinces, nagtataka, magkaroon ang Sultan Kudarat ng pinakamalaking kapitolyo sa buong Pilipinas? Imposible. And we were able to do it. Later on, it was the dream of my grandfather and my father to have the biggest provincial hospital. Ayun din ang sinabi ng ilan ng ating mga kababayan sa ibang lugar. Sultan Kudarat, magkakaroon ng biggest provincial hospital na libre? Imposible. We were able to do that. Later on, we decided na magkaroon tayo ng malaki provincial gymnasium. Pero imposible, meron pa rin. Yung gymnasium na yan, I have been to other gymnasiums across the country. Our gymnasium is actually one of the biggest. In fact, in Mindanao, it's the biggest. Ang nakatalo lang sa atin yung gym ni Pastor Quiboloy. But nevertheless, ang ganda-ganda ng ating provincial gym and it caters to a lot of people. In fact, nung nagkaroon tayo ng RSPC, nung nagkaroon tayo ng national programs, nagkaroon tayo ng Miss Universe Philippines, sabi nila, ito pala ang meron sa Sultan Kudarat. And we are very proud of it. Because maliit lang tayo na probinsya. But it did not stop us from excelling in the delivery of public service. And that has always been the core mandate that I have been giving all of our employees since the start of my governorship. Kaya I am very proud na ganito. Ngayon, sabi, College of Medicine, sa loob ng 3 years, bago ka maging governor, mabubuksan mo agad. Impossible. Nakaroon naman tayo ng College of Medicine. At ngayon, it continues to offer scholarship and financial and scholarship assistance to all of our students there. Pagkatapos noon, sabihin natin, magkaroon ng convention hall. A lot of people were saying, saan natin ilagay? Ngayon, nandito na. Later on, sasabihin natin, makakaroon ng economic complex. Makakaroon tayo ng coffee factory. Magkakaroon tayo ng mga programs that will establish different services in different parts of the province. Sabi ko pa when I was a Senator Ninoy Aquino 3 years ago, it is my objective that we will establish a new hospital building in Senator Ninoy Aquino. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? It will be open very, very soon na magkaroon ng bagong building ang ating mga Senator Ninoy Aquino, mga patients at mga doctors doon. A new hospital that we have been building together with friends and partners in the national government.